Good.
Hello.
All done.
Is it still there?
Yep, you're still alive. Is he taking you out on a hot date this weekend?
What?
Everybody wants Magic Mike today. All right.
When I jump and my legs go twist.
Ooh. You just need a bubble wrap.
When I was doing all the paper.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it was hurting?
Yeah,
We do that on purpose so we know exactly where to go. No, I'm just joking. Dr. Mike. Magic Mike, Dr. Mike, whatever you want to call me. If you spoke Spanish, I'd hire you.
Ah!
You get all the free treatment you want. How much taller do you want to be today? Lift up your head.